So welcome to Karen's Kitchen. Today I'm making my very favorite snack, which are egg muffins. This is what we're going for, egg muffins. This is the final result. And I'm only down to 2, so I have to make another batch. So it's really, really simple. I just get zucchini, onions, carrots, you can use broccoli, experiment, and I use my little Ninja dicer and I put my ingredients in there, onion, celery, zucchini, whatever you want. It's electric, so it's super, super easy to use. And then I saute that combination in a pan here. I saute them, and then when I've sauteed that combination, I put them in the bottom of my little muffin pan. Now, this is what makes it actually look like this does on the top, you see, because you put your veggies on the bottom of the muffin pan. Then you mix your eggs and your egg whites. So to make 12, I use 6 eggs and I use half a cup of egg whites. You can use different amounts, you can experiment. And I just, of course, whisk it all together, and then I pour this combination on the top of my muffins here. Hopefully you can see here. So that I make my little muffins. And then I've got my oven already preheated, and I pop that in the oven, and I keep an eye on them because they don't take very long, and then let them cool. So when they come out of the oven, you let them cool. And then when they've cooled, I just pop the little muffins out like this, and I put them on a tray, and then I refrigerate them, and they last about 4 days. And I use these as snacks, I use them as meals, and it's so amazing when you're in a hurry and you want a really good whole food snack. These egg muffins are delicious. So I highly encourage you to make them and experiment with all the veggies that you might enjoy.